In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated SEO report workflow from URL to PDF. By the end, you'll see how a simple form input can trigger an end-to-end process that fetches a web page, analyzes it with AI, and delivers a polished PDF report you can share with stakeholders or clients. We begin with the on-form submission node. This creates a straightforward form with a single field for a website URL. When someone enters a valid URL and hits submit, the workflow immediately kicks off. Think of this as the gateway. It captures the address you want to analyze and hands it off to the rest of the automation. A quick tip here. Include the full URL with the correct protocol, like HTTPS, and make sure you have permission to analyze the site. Next is extracting HTML from URL. This part sends a request to the web page you provided and retrieves the raw HTML. That HTML is the source document of the page, containing the title tag, headings, meta description, links, and the visible content structure. While some pages load extra elements with JavaScript, the HTML alone often reveals the core of a page's SEO health, giving us enough to evaluate structure, relevance, and technical signals. Now we hand the HTML to the AI agent node. This is where the analysis happens. The AI reads the markup and produces a structured SEO assessment. The report covers the overall SEO score, title tag analysis, meta description analysis, heading structure, content quality and relevance, key technical checks, and top recommendations. Instead of returning plain text, the AI outputs a clean, styled HTML report. That choice is intentional. HTML makes it easy to format headings, sections, and highlights so the final document looks professional. Powering that intelligence is the Anthropic chat model node. This connects the AI agent to a capable language model that understands the instructions, interprets the page's HTML, and composes a coherent, actionable report. Without this connection, the agent wouldn't be able to transform raw code into clear insights. With the analysis done, we move to convert to file. At this stage, we have HTML as text. This node packages that text into a proper HTML file, creating a stable, portable artifact that's ready for export. Think of it as finalizing the document before printing. Finally, we use Gutenberg to convert the HTML file into a PDF. The service renders the layout, preserves styles and spacing, and outputs a crisp, printable report. When it finishes, your workflow delivers a fully formatted PDF you can download, share, or archive, all triggered from a single URL submission.